The manufacturing engineering program is great. And I think the biggest reason for that is just it's hands-on, it's not all lecture-based.
Ferris State's manufacturing program is very hands-on. Our associate's degree, our first 2 years, we do a lot of manual machining and CNC machining.
We are really hands-on compared to most of the other programs.
Our students are always busy doing things, working on things. They will spend time in lecture, but immediately after that they'll go out to the lab and they'll put into practice those things that they just learned in the lecture. Our program, if we were to compare it against other community colleges, we look at other manufacturing programs at other universities, they oftentimes are an odd conglomeration of a few technical classes, a few business classes, and they pile those together and call that a degree.
Here at Ferris, we have so much more hands-on experience. Within the first couple weeks, we're down in the lab actually making parts.
First week, they're going to start out learning how to control the machine. By week 2, now they're making chips. By week 3, they're working on projects. We start off, we give them projects that we know we've tried and true. We know what pitfalls they might encounter.
We lead to a bachelor's degree that is very focused on manufacturing.
Not only do you have the option of getting our 2-year associate's degree, which is more of a trades kind of degree, but also with that, right, we integrate CAD knowledge and go beyond that.
Down in the lab, when you're physically running the machines, it's all your own program.
We'll do lectures right in those rooms, and then you're right in the lab, so when you come up with a solution, you're coming right out into work on those projects.
There is a logical progression to the courses that our students take, starting from when they're a freshman. So in that first year, they would take our class, the basic machining class.
Then second semester, they get into 130, 131, which is really the project class.
Fixturing class, so you learn how to make fixtures, you learn more of the manufacturing side of the design.
That's where we're standing at the machines and learning to turn the handles and all the things that go with that.
Then into sophomore year, they take MFT 220 and 222, which is advanced CNC.
To learn the basics of combining together machining and CAD.
Our Principles of Process Planning course, it's kind of our junior capstone. We have 2 projects in this course.
In our senior year, we even surpass that. We do a higher level statistical problem-solving tool, MFG 442.
My favorite manufacturing course so far would definitely have to be the FANUC robot course.
MFT 120 is our basic robotics class.
It has the highest cap for learning that I think most of the courses we have can have.
I can actually give out a FANUC cert. If they receive a passing score on NOCTI, actually articulates back to FANUC North America. What I like to say is if you leave with your associates, you're going to make money with what's below your shoulders, meaning your hands. Whereas students that go through and actually finish our bachelor's, they're making money with what's above their shoulders, so now they're making decisions.
Given that we're getting real-world parts, I think that's really helped push me to learn and grow.
Understanding that being here at Ferris and having more of those work-based skills and having that degree as a basis to go on to further educations for masters or doctorates is really a nice basis to have to be able to push up to those higher levels of engineering.